Hey guys, Stuart here. Welcome back to another tutorial. Today's focus is to show you how you can use the new eSignature tool that you can find inside Google Docs. This is a free and powerful eSignature tool for Google Workspace users. No longer do you have to pay for eSignature tools like DocuSign to share agreements online and to capture online signatures. Okay, so for example, here I am inside Google Docs. You can arrive here from any Google app by simply navigating up to Apps and locating Google Docs. Or jump into your browser and type in docs.google.com and that's going to take you here. Now I'm going to use Gemini to create a document. Navigate down here and I want to create an agreement document. However, you can upload your own document. This could be a PDF or any other format you can upload to Google Docs. I'm just going to quickly create a basic document, an agreement contract using Gemini. Okay, so I've added a quick prompt. Let's go ahead and create this. Again, you can upload your own documents if you like. I'm just using Gemini for the purpose of today's tutorial. What I would do is go through this form and make some changes if I like. For example, compensation, I would change this and add other important details I want to add to this agreement contract. Okay, this is just an example, so we'll leave it as it is. And then navigate up to Tools, and essentially I run an agency and I want to collect an e-signature from a client. So this is a business contract. All I would do is click on e-signature, and first I'm going to delete this and delete this down here, then add a space here and add name, partner name, client name, and date, as well as date here. Now you can add these other details if you like. Then I'm just going to space these out and I'm happy with that. Then we just need to drag these fields into our document. For example, signature, this block goes here, then partner name, name here, the name field, as well as date signed, and add that to date. Then what we would do is navigate up to Signer 1, Manage Signers, add another signer, and let's just add Signer 2 for now, and click on Save. Then I'm going to click here, drop down, and click on Signer 2, then add the same details, signature next to Kiwi Clothing, as well as client name, and date signed. Hey, just quickly before we get back into this tutorial, if you're getting value from this video, please drop a like and subscribe. This means a lot to me and ultimately helps us reach and help more small business owners across YouTube. Thank you in advance, and with that quick note, let's jump back into this video. Then navigate over to Request eSignature, add the document name, then add your Signer 1 email address. So this is my email address and then the client's email address down here. Then add a message, this is optional, add the audio trial language, and then click on Request Email Signature. Here you want to share the eSignature PDF with signers. I'm going to click Share Anyway, as the client is outside of our organization. And then what we can do is click on this link to open the PDF and track the eSignature progress. I'll show you this soon once a signature has been added. Okay, so I'm going to jump into my inbox, and here we have the eSignature request for agency agreement. You can see the note down here, please sign this agreement contract. I'm going to select Open, and that's going to open up this eSignature tool. I can scroll down to the bottom and sign here, add my full name, enter initials, and click on Adopt and Sign. At the moment, you cannot manually create and draw your signature in here. It's only text-based, but this is still legally binding. Then come down and click on Adopt and Sign. Click on Partner Name, and you can see my name has automatically been added. And as you can see, to complete the signing process, all I need to do is click on Mark Complete, or I can reject or view details. Navigate down, click on I have agreed to the terms of service and agree and continue. Then close the window. Now if I jump into my Google Drive, as the person that enabled the eSignature tool, I can locate this PDF and I can see that a signature is pending. Okay, let's jump back into this in a second once the client has left a signature. Hey guys, just quickly before we get back to this video, I just want to mention my Sheetify CRM, an all-in-one business toolkit and CRM built with Google Sheets and designed for Google users. You can simply manage leads, customers, tasks, engage in email marketing, manage your inventory, tickets, and more. The great part is I've made this Sheetify CRM a one-time payment, no subscriptions, unlimited access, and future updates. If you're interested in learning more, you can find the link to my Sheetify CRM down below in the description. Okay, so with that covered, let's go ahead and get back to this video. Now back inside my email, once the document has been signed by all parties added to the agreement, this email will be generated. eSignature completed, a copy of the signed document is attached, and it's also stored in your Google Drive. Now let's come down and click on this document. And if we navigate down here, you can see all the signatures. And then if we come down to the bottom, you'll see an audit trail. Here we can see the file name, the status is signed, status timestamp, and then the activity down here. sent, and the details about who created and sent this document, signed by, and then the completed date. Pretty cool, huh? And that's how you can leverage this eSignature tool to create contract agreements and to capture eSignatures. If you're interested in learning more about this tool, I will add a resource down below in the description that will dive into details about other features coming soon, what you can and can't do, and information around the legality of this tool. However, that is it. If you got value, make sure you leave a like and subscribe, and that way I'll see you in the next video. Take care, everyone.